What's going on, guys? Here it is. Master bathroom all done. What do you think, Oz? Yep, likes the cold floor. There it is, 3/4 shower, all set up, all ready to go. Still got to do some caulking there, but got that light, got the night light, right, Oz? But got that done. And the MGB is back. So hopefully we can start working on that pretty soon, but I doubt it because I need to do that retaining wall. And just to show you what else I've been doing, I've been cleaning the woods up too. So, trying to get that done, do the retaining wall. We'll get to the MG. But wanted to let you guys know what was going on. I just got a lot of stuff going on. Wife had some business to take care of up in Ohio, so I decided to go and visit my parents for a couple of days. Took Ozzy, went to South Carolina for a couple of days. Came back and finished up the master bathroom. Got refreshed, but alright guys, take it easy. Peace.